Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Joey Biagas and I'm an audio engineer of a few years now, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer 8 tracks onto a CD. So pretty much just burn a CD with 8 tracks on it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to it. I have the computer open here and I have iTunes open, so first thing I want you to do is open up iTunes. Also, I want to note is have a blank CD and insert that into the computer. I have mine already inserted, okay? So once iTunes is open, all we have to do is go to our playlist because we have to burn from a playlist. So select the playlist and then choose accordingly from the playlist that you have the 8 tracks. So that's located on the left hand side here. I'm going to burn this playlist, Setting Sunrise, my band name, and it has 8 tracks here. Okay, so what we have to do is select this playlist and right click and then go down to burn playlist to disk. And then from here we have our settings. I want it to be maximum just to have the best speed possible. I want it to be an audio CD and I want to have no gaps in between the songs. Perfect. And then I can just hit burn. Alright, and that's pretty much it, guys. There's not much to it. All we have to do is kind of make a playlist, make sure the CD's in there, iTunes is up and going, and then hit burn. If you do have any other questions, please let us know, and thank you for watching.